दूर कर कर ज्ञान की जोत जलाई है। आपके साथ रहकर हमने सीख पाई है। गलत राह पर भटके तो आपने हमें राहें दिखाई हैं। A very good morning to all the teachers. I am Tanya Dhingra of class 12. Today, as we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day online. Let me first take the opportunity to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day and thank you all for teaching us online. Now, we have Bhavya Juneja of class 12th A to say a few words on Teachers Day.
Good morning to all our teachers as we gather here to celebrate the occasion of Teachers Day. I would like to thank every teacher who has been a guiding force during the lockdown. 5th September is celebrated as the Teachers' Day throughout the country since the year 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, the second President of India who was also a philosopher and educationist. When he became the President of India, few of his students requested to let them celebrate his birthday on 5th September. On this, he asked them to celebrate the day as Teachers' Day and not just as his birthday. This would make him happier and even more proud. Ever since the day is celebrated as the Teachers' Day. Educating people is one of the greatest jobs one can do. I had been fortunate enough to have been taught by such wonderful teachers who had helped me transform into a better person. It has always been maintained that the future of our country lies in the hands of its children. Teachers and mentors can mold students in future leaders who had then shaped the destiny of the nation. They also play a significant role in our lives to help us become successful in our careers and business. They gently nudges us to become good human beings, better members of our society and even ideal citizens of the country. Teachers' Day is actually a celebration to acknowledge the hardship, challenges and unparalleled role that the teachers play in our lives. On behalf of all the students, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. We are privileged to grow under your guidance. You showed us the right path. You were always there when we were in trouble, whether it was academic or personal. We are proud to say that we are cultivated by the finest gardeners. We pray for your good health and well-being all through. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhavya, for a wonderful speech. Now we have a singing performance by Arshdeep Singh and followed by few messages for all of you by the students of class 12.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे रहना, ढूंढती तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ मेरे रहना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला तो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया यही ना समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया यही ना समझा। बहुत बोला है बेचारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा।
Hey guys, my name is Pratham Soni, and as we all know, today is Teachers' Day, so I would like to say a few lines about my teachers. And let's not forget that what we are today are because of our teachers. So who is a teacher? Any person willing to spread knowledge is a teacher. Teachers are like roads. They stay where they are, but guide the students to their destinations. By this, I would like to say a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
You have always been an excellent educator who exactly knows how to illuminate a soul from its own light. All the efforts and hard works you have invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words.
Happy Teachers' Day. Today, I, Manya, would like to speak 2 lines about our teachers. Teachers are those who guide us, who support us, who inspires us, and of course, who teaches us too. So, today is the day to thank them all, and once again, Happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers.
On this special day, I would also like to thank you all my teachers as they put many efforts to make our day special and makes us hard to work or to earn something in life. As I respect all your hard work as they are teaching us in such a difficult times and they are giving their outputs. So once again a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Dear teachers, you have been a great mentor and guide. I thank you for your efforts and hope you remain a super mentor for all others also. Our parents gave us life and it was you who taught us how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity and passion to our characters. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much everyone for the lovely videos. Now we have a lovely poem written by Harsh Upredi and presented by the students of class 12B.
आज वो दिन आया है, टीचर्स डे आया है। ये दिन टीचर्स के लिए बहुत खास है कि आज इनके परिश्रम का परिणाम आया है।
हमारी ज़िंदगी सवारी, हमको अच्छे से पढ़ाकर बना दिया डॉक्टर इंजीनियर, रोज 100 पेजेस लिखवा कर।
कैलकुलेशंस करने में हमें सुपर फास्ट बना दिया। मैथ्स की इतनी प्रैक्टिस कराई कि एक एक क्वेश्चन हमें रटवा दिया। इंग्लिश बोलने में हमें एक्सपर्ट बना दिया। हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस नेक्स्ट लेवल पर पहुंचा दिया।
टीचर से अच्छा मोटिवेटर पूरी ज़िंदगी में ना मिलेगा। इनसे ज़्यादा नखरे हमारे कौन सह सकेगा।
हमारी सारी गलतियों को माफ़ कर देते हैं, एक की जगह 100 मौके हमें देते हैं। भगवान ऐसे टीचर्स सबको दे, इनकी दरिया दिली के कारण ही हम जीते हैं।
हमें अपनी राह से कभी भी भटकने नहीं देते हैं। अंधकार से हमें बचाना अपना धर्म समझते हैं।
उन टीचर्स को हम सलाम करते हैं जो हमारे लिए अपना सुख चैन त्याग देते हैं। जीवन भर हम इनके आभारी रहेंगे। हर जन्म में ऐसी टीचर की ही कामना करेंगे।
टीचर कहने को तो एक शब्द है, अर्थ ढूंढने निकले तो यही एक अर्थ मिलता है कि जो हमें शिक्षा दे। पर मैं कहूँगा कि शिक्षा ना दे सिर्फ हमें ज्ञान दे, वो हमारे जीवन को नई पहचान, हमारे भावनाओं को एक नया आसमान। यूं कहूँ तो माता पिता भी तो एक टीचर के समान ही करते हैं। निस्वार्थ प्रेम जहाँ मिले उसे मैं ले लूँ। माता पिता और टीचर एक ही सिक्के के 2 पहलू। सिक्के को कौन पूछता है, हेड या टेल बिना। मेरी क्या पहचान टीचर या पेरेंट बिना। कहने को तो ये बड़ी 2 बातें लगती है, पर जो मेरे मन में आया मैंने वही कह दिया। इस स्कूल में आया जब मेरी उम्र थी 4, 17 साल तक रहा जब मिला मुझे टीचर से प्यार। बस कुछ यादें ही रह जाएगी मन में, चाहे वो अच्छी हो या बुरी, पर सब कुछ सोचने पर अच्छा ही लगता है। नहीं जानता आगे क्या होगा, मन में एक्साइटमेंट भी है और कुछ नर्वसनेस। आफ्टर स्कूल जो स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट होगी, क्या मैं उसके लिए कैपेबल हूँ। करेगा मार्गदर्शन हमारा टीचर, बट करना होगा अकेले ही सफर। एट लास्ट मैं यही कहूँगा कि स्कूल टीचर की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। वे हमारे अच्छे बुरी बातें सब सुनते हैं और समझते हैं और हमें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। My salute to my teachers.
Thank you so much, boys, for presenting an amazing poem. Lastly, to end the celebration, we have the students of class 12C to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.